you should never do repetitive work anymore. So we are going to build here an AI sales agent that can be able to reply to your customers as fast as possible, and also to be able to save their data in Google Sheet so that you can be able to come and check for them later. So the first thing that we'll do here, we'll be able to connect Meta with our WhatsApp so that any client or maybe any customer who sends a message, they can get a reply, and also we can save their data to our spreadsheet. Typically, that's just the whole workflow. So just stay with me here. We're going to use n8n. n8n is just an automation tool. You can use Zapier or Make, but n8n is more better, and I love it. So it's actually a practical one, so I want to walk you through step by step. So let's come here. The first thing that you want to do, you want to search for WhatsApp. So just come here, click here and search for WhatsApp. So you'll choose this one, the business cloud. And once you choose that, you need to click on messages so that when anyone messages you, they can actually be able to get a reply. And in this case, what you need a credential, and you also need a, typically that's what you need, but in this case, I already have mine. So mine is saved. I'll actually show you how to generate that in a few, maybe in a later video. So from there, now we want to take our AI agent that will be able to reply to our customers, because maybe it's at night at 10 p.m. We are not with our phones. Maybe it's early morning. We have not opened our business. So just look for the AI agent. So click this and pick this one. Okay, so in this case, what you need to just come here, because we are not connecting to a trigger node. We'll use define below, and then now here you need to add your user message and also your chat model here. So in chat model, I'll use OpenAI. So I'll use the OpenAI chat model, and in this case, I'll use the Qwen models. I won't use the GPTs, so I'll just search for Qwen Plus. So once I have that, now you can even add memory. Let's add memory. We use simple memory here. So memory helps you. It will help your agent to be able to remember to the customer it's actually talking to. If maybe you have maybe different or multiple clients or maybe customers, they have maybe messaged your WhatsApp, it can be able to understand who is actually this customer and be able to save their data to its memory. So we'll just add a key here. So I'll show you how to do that as well. Okay, so from there, now we need to reply to our customer back. So just click here and click WhatsApp. And in this case, we're trying to send the message back. So you'll just choose send message. So in this case, also you need a credential. I've already put mine, so I'll actually show you how to do that. And also here in the send phone number, you use your number that is connected to Meta. I'll also show you that in a later video how to connect your Meta. So just click that. And the recipient's phone number is the one that we will map out once they send a message. And finally, now we need to store our data. You need to track the data of your customers, where it's coming from. That's why it's so important to save data in your Google Sheet. So in this case, I'll just click here, and then I look for Google Sheet. And in this case, we are going to append a row in a sheet. So appending a row in a sheet, it means you're just adding a row in your spreadsheet. So append is like adding, right? And you can see when we come to my spreadsheet here, you can see I have my n8n workflow. I want to save the name, the phone number, and the business. So I'll add the business here. So I want to know my client, their name, their phone number, their business. All of that will be saved in my Google Sheet. So from there, now let's come and let's try our AI sales agent. We see how it will actually work. So the first thing, my WhatsApp is connected to Meta. So I'll just come here. I send a message. Let me say something like hello. And then I'll come here to my n8n because it's not yet published, so I'll just click execute workflow. And then when I come here, I can click send, and we can see our data is here. So you can see our data is actually executed. If I come here, I can be able to see the message, the name of the person. Okay, so in this case, we need a prompt user message. The prompt now that the agent will be able to reply to a customer. The prompt should have a role, it should have a task, and it should have a format. But in this case, let's just give it a prompt because let's take an example. This is a beauty industry. So let's come and give it a prompt, something like this. So let's give it a prompt. We tell it it's our sales AI assistant. So just paste the prompt there. And also you need to tell it to give it the user message, whatever the customer has sent. So just click on expression. So whatever you'll just do here, just come and map out the question that the customer is actually asking. So come here and in your body, you drag it up to here. Nice. So once you do that, now your AI agent has instructions, it has a memory, right? So you just click execute. So we have an error in our simple memory. So just come here, you configure. Yes, whatever we don't have, it doesn't have the key. So that's why it gave us an error. So just come here, you get your key from here. So just drag it there. And where you see here context window length is 5, it means it can be able to remember up to 5 messages of that same client, right? So from there, let's go back and execute the workflow again. So it will give us a reply. So you can see we got a reply here, and we can be able to send. Okay, so here in our WhatsApp, we also need to configure it. So the recipient's number, you come here to your left side, you can see the from. So this is the person that we want to send the message back. And now in the message, in the text body here, we need to give it the reply that comes from our AI agent. So just come here and map out whatever the AI gave us that way. Perfect. So once you click execute workflow, when I come to my WhatsApp, I should get a reply here. So let's wait here. You can see the message is here. Hello, welcome to Glow and Grace Beauty. So happy to help you today. Is there a specific product you're looking for, or would you like recommendation based on our skin type, concerns, or goals? That's amazing, right? So I want us to be able to save this data of our client to our Google Sheet, right? So let's come here. So what we need to map out, let's choose our Google Sheet. So it's first n8n workflow, and the Google Sheet is there. And then now let's map out the name of this client. So you'll just come here to your WhatsApp trigger and you map out. You just drag it. So the name is here. And we have the phone number. So the phone number, you come and pick it here from. So this person didn't tell us the business. So let's leave it at that. And let's execute the workflow, and we come to our spreadsheet here. So you can see we have the name, the phone number, the business they didn't give us, but we can go on and tell the AI our business. Yeah, we can actually converse with it. And typically that's how you can be able to build an AI WhatsApp agent for your business, for your client. I mean, this is something that can save them hours. You can get maybe a client has, or maybe a customer is messaging the business at wee hours, maybe at night or early morning, and even weekends. So you don't need to be glued in your phone. You can be able to build an agent that can be able to handle your repetitive questions and even send your customers immediate response, so that you build that trust in your business, and you gain more customers as well. So yeah, I really appreciate for you watching. Please comment down below what you think about it, and also just tell me, have you built any WhatsApp agent? If you have, let me know in the comments. And please make sure you subscribe and also like at least to help other people to find it.